Bickford's group comprises of a range of businesses. Half the business is in retail and homewares, the other half is in beverage.
Our products span from producing water, flavoured water, cordials, syrups, juices.
There's a level of agility that we built into the way we do things operationally, but also from a commercialisation and marketing perspective. As a business, we've been modernising our plant over the last 5 years, especially on the processing side. So we were actively looking for a package that would be able to give us enough visibility of true line performance. While we were on this journey, QAD advised us of the acquisition of Redzone.
We've been with QAD for 25 plus years. What was the component which got you over the line was the actual integration. And in the end, we've got a result which we think is far superior to what we had as a standalone package.
With more integration, we could go completely without paperwork orders and have all of our information listed on Redzone.
The Redzone is not just a tool. I think it's like new culture for manufacturing.
Before Redzone, we were really data heavy, but not a lot of information available. Now we've got it all at our fingertips.
Every morning I come in over there, people scream for me, Johnny, I need an iPad. So that's how good it is.
What Redzone have committed to in terms of their KPIs, you've not only achieved it, you've exceeded them. So that's a big plus for me.
A 50% uplift, and it's really just the starting point for us.